Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillify. Today we'll be covering some additional topics, some additional problems we usually face when working with the Excel. So the very first part is to applying the filter. The very first thing is how to apply the filter. So that is the shortcut is to just let's say for example you have selected a range, okay, and then you want to apply the filter on these headings. So shortcut will be Control Shift L. So that is for filter. Control Shift L. That is the filter to apply. Sorry, that is shortcut to apply filter. Second thing, and now you want to apply filter on some specific ranges, so you can do that also. You have selected it by pressing Shift, or you can just select two things. Control Shift L. Filter got applied. Second thing, usually when we put a Excel table on an ordinary data, I have discussed this thing a lot of time in my sessions. That is, right now you might be thinking that this is an Excel table, but it's not. This is just a normal data in Excel. This is not an Excel table. To get an Excel table, we need to put an Excel table. So additional thing in that table is that filter is something that is inbuilt. So what you have to do is simple. Click inside the table or your data where anywhere. So I'm clicking over here. I'll go to the insert tab and I will just click on table. It will ask me whether my table has the headers and all, or it is just confirming the range. You can see that this dancing lines are defining your range. Just click on OK, and now see the filter got applied itself, right? So that is the benefit to apply Excel table on your data. Okay. Now the third thing is how you want to apply. Third thing, where exactly that filter option is available in those tabs. So let's say I just want to apply the filter on employee ID, or let's say on name only. So I will select these two and I will go to the data tab. Okay. In the data tab, you'll be having this filter option, and all you need to do is just to press click on this filter option, and this filter got applied. Yeah. So that's all about the filter.